notifications so you know when we drop a video. Love you guys. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family. Please subscribe to this channel. So today I'm doing a quick protective hairstyle as well as shampoo and conditioning without any crying from your child. I'm going to wash and condition his hair, and I'm going to use a washcloth or a towel. That's what I'm using as a towel, and it's a clean cloth that I'm using. And I saturate it with water. I'm also going to get a bowl that I can use to keep dipping my towel in. This is so that you don't put your child under the water. They don't get all crying, nervous, scared. And I'm just going to saturate his hair really good. Shampoo and condition it. These are really two good shampoos and conditioner. And now I've greasing it really good. I'm going to use a nice thick afro comb to comb it out and grease it, and there you go, protect it.